It's so nice to see you guys today. So I wanted to come in. I work at FAO Schwarz toy store. It is the best toy store on the planet. You guys have to come and see me. It's in Rockefeller Plaza. And today, being that this is tying into your unit, you guys have been learning a lot about planting and different fruits and vegetables. Yes? Yeah? All right, so we're gonna help out with that learning. We have something from Bloomer's Island and Veggie Pops. What this is a little felt pot, and inside it has a Veggie Pop. That's this here. So what this is inside are seeds, and it has a little potted of soil. So you can put the seeds in when you go home, and you can plant your very own vegetables at home. I know you guys have been doing that here today, but you're gonna take one of these home each, okay? Does that sound fun?
Yes.
Yes? All right, great. So do you guys want to come up one by one and then collect one of these? Yeah? Starting with you, what's your name?
I want to.
Here you are. So one for you. You guys are right here in front of me, so I'll just pass it to you. Here you are. This is a lot of fun that you can do when you're at home with your mom and your dad or your brothers and sisters. I got you coming. No worries. You do? Oh, nice.
I have a sister and I have a brother. I have a brother too.
Here you are.
I need one. Wait, you have blue and I have pink.
Anybody say thank you?
Thank you.
Very welcome.
You guys
You guys are going to be eating healthy. And then you have one
Miss
also.
Renee! Can we? Look, I got blue. I got blue. This one looks like a lollipop.
Okay, everybody got one?
It looks like a lollipop.
It is. It's a veggie pop. Exactly.
It looks like a
So don't
lollipop.
open it until you get home so mommy or daddy can help you with those, and then you can plant those and then you can watch it grow. Hopefully in about a month or so, you have your own vegetables.
I have a plant.
You do?
Mine is green.
Yes. It's bell peppers.
My mommy does
Of course.
We both got the same plant.
Yes. Thank you for having me here to come and see. I hope you guys will come and see me at FAO Schwarz, right? So go home and tell mommy and daddy, I'm going to go to the best toy store in the world, FAO Schwarz, and you're going to come and see me. Sounds like a deal?
What is this?
All right, that's soil. That's soil.
And tell me one thing you know about plants. I'm going to start from Zarifa. Zarifa, one thing you want to know about plants. Oh, carrots are plants, yes. Watermelons are plants. What else do you know about plants? Anything you know about plants? Peppers. Kinsley. Corn can be a plant. Apples grow from a plant or a tree or a flower? A tree, yes, they did. Broccoli grows where? It's a vegetable or a fruit? It grows on trees?
Once your plants to grow, this is what you need to know. Plants need soil, plants need light. Water your plants so they grow right.
Yay!
If you want your plants to grow, this is what you need to know.
Good job.
Thank you, Miss Sophia.
You're welcome.